your first thing, you know, the first one, and then your...
heartbeat as
well. That was my one first.
Oh, okay, this is Dan's first one. Yeah, he did, which we looked at on Friday. It's kind of like the heartbeat of the building, we think, but what's the data? Okay, it's actually the external temperature of the building. So it actually gets bigger when the external temperature increases. So what it is, essentially, is that the building expands when the temperatures are higher and actually contracts. So this is the heartbeat of the building. It's quite happy on it.
Expanding building.
So this is Dan's second one. And this is CO2 levels through the day. And it works even nicer when it's high resolution, but because all the little bubbles are fizzing away. But it basically charts through the day the size of the CO2 levels by the size of the bubbles. So when it's complete, that's an entire day's worth of CO2 levels. Whose is this? Ah! So what's this?
It's data reading into the XY.
Okay. Okay. So this is kind of wind speed. This is kind of weird sort of object thing that's sort of kind of mad process matrix thing that just kind of pulsates to wind speed, basically. Yeah. Close enough. Just wait there, I'm going to put a couple more things away. We wanted to put all of them into one sketch, but some of them weren't compatible with other ones for various reasons. So we've only been able to put a certain number of them together, but what we can do is we can actually layer them side by side and have a look at what happens, what they pointed. The idea is that we could start to use different types of visualization to represent the same data over days or weeks and start to look at differences and see if we could find something that wouldn't be seen there by looking at lists of numbers. But if you we took two of Guido's sketches at the same time, we could actually start to compare, you know, what one of them saying with the other one, and just see if there's some kind of way of comparing information in this kind of visual way. And we can actually build up kind of large matrices of all of the data. So we can actually start to put a load of different data and start to piece together different kind of collage different amounts of data and different visualizations together. 01, 02, 03, all the way to 09.
Big squares.
So we could actually bring up a whole load of data, but obviously with the resolution there are problems with that, obviously. But anyway, the point is that we can start to think about bringing different environmental data together, different visual formats, and try and uncover something about the building. So that's it, basically. So, well done to the students. Rightio. Well done. Yeah.